So my favorite program to use to convert files to a PDF is Office Lens. So what you do is you just go over, you take a picture of the file you are looking to convert to a PDF. So there's photo number 1. I match up the corners with the corners of the page. You can even cut off parts of the pages if you don't want to match up corner to corner. So like I could scooch in, pull down, etc. You can hit confirm. There are filters, so you can change everything to black and white. You can change it to lighten. You can do nothing, grayscale, even whiteboard. I really like the whiteboard. I feel like it brightens everything. So if I were doing this, I would probably be between the whiteboard and my original. I'm going to go with whiteboard just because I think it brightened it. So you can change the filter. Then you can hit the add in the left-hand corner. And then you can simply take a second photo. And you will just crop that one as well. Hit confirm. I am done at this point. So then I can select or deselect the photo I want. And then I'll hit the little orange arrow with the 2. Again, that's my second image. I could hit the filter, change it to whiteboard if I want the coloring to match. Hit done. You can now alter however you save this. So I'm going to call this 2-6 homework day 1. And then I have a choice of where to save it. I can make it pictures, I can make it a PDF, I can just put it as pictures in my OneDrive, etc. I'm going to change mine to a PDF. Now I'm going to send it to my OneDrive so I can open it on the computer. I'm just going to hit save. And then you can see those are all the files I've already sent. And now it's going to transfer, and once it's transferred, I can open it on my OneDrive. On the computer, I can open it on the OneDrive on my phone. It is in my OneDrive. Thank you.